So you might notice some big changes behind me. The trees are gone.
Today's a massive, massive day. Me and Ollie are like dishevelled little gremlins because we just got back from our little trip away to Milan. This morning around 2 a.m. we landed or something like that. And we're at the house now for 8. So the trees are coming down. All them, goodbye. They probably thought I was waving at them. Because the wall is protruding. I know we've spoken about this quite a lot, but today is D-Day, guys. D-Day. There's a route up here if you look. Keep coming up here. And yes, I'm wearing pyjama-like stuff because I need to be in pyjamas. But there's a big route. So that won't go, guys. So what's the plan? The plan of action is, for reference, I'm 5'3", and this is how tall our wall is. So this is the bedrock sitting all the way up here. And then you've got like 3 brick heights here, if that's the right phrase. So, as you can see, it's very, very tall wall. And the trees and the roots are sitting on top of that wall, and they're very close to the side. Too close. Look, I want to show, all these bricks here are going to fall out one day. Probably today, actually. As you can see, the garden is very shaded, to be fair, and it's because of these bad boys. So even though they're lovely, the trees, butterfly. Oh, look at this butterfly. Look at him. He's pink. Look, it's pink. I thought it was going to land on my jumper. So they are going to let so much light into this garden. The garden's going to get all the sun and love it deserves. And we're not leaving it like that. We are going to put hedging all the way along the back, all the way back to each corner. And then we actually have some roses to go in front of them, because if we have a look here, this I think is a David Austin. Well, that one's dead. Ignore that one. Look at that beauty.
Lovely.
I think it needs a water. It just needs a little water, doesn't it?
They're done, aren't they?
No, I think it needs a water because it's been so hot. We'll water everything today. There's lots of stuff falling on the floor. We have a shoot. Takiyoda. So we're pretty close to the road here. Well, I think, God, the hay fever's got me by the short curlies. So as you can see, the trees are up, and shortly the trees will be gone. Transition there into no trees. These trees. Yeah. So whilst we've been investigating the big trees and what to replace, conifers, we don't really like a conifer, but obviously you don't want to be killing everything. But, Lily! Conifers are actually quite bad for the ground, and they take up a lot of moisture in the soil or something like that, which starves some plants around them. I was speaking to a lady for a very long time who works with trees and plants, and she said this, so she's like, don't worry about getting rid of them. And these are dead. So I think there's going to be a lot of tree removal today. Yeah, they're here, the tree choppers are here. Very exciting. Chopper trees. What? Arborists. They are here. It's happening. I'm very, very nervous.
So while those guys get set up and we have one last look at these trees before they go, just the ones on the back of this tree line are going nearest to the road, let's have a quick look at what Rasheen thinks of the spray installation work that I've done upstairs.
Going to show me. So Ollie's going to show me some of the foam removal that he's done, which I'm very excited about because hopefully he'll save us 13.5 grand. I'm coming. I'm going to... Are you recording?
It's not that much of a big reveal, really, is it?
But I haven't seen any. And these little things, this is a raw emotion. This is a raw reaction. Wow. Whoa.
It's a lot, isn't it? And...
What?
Open that window.
Can you open it now or something? Oh, there's cobwebs everywhere. There's a cobweb on my bloody...
Maybe we had no window keys.
Where did you find it?
I fixed them.
Oh, ew, all the cobwebs, can you see them?
Yeah.
I'm done. How did you fix the keys? Did you go and get some new ones?
I just fixed it.
How did you fix it though? I want to know.
I bought some jiggers.
Jigga 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 jig jigga 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 jigga. Ah, for fuck's sake.
So yeah, that's sweet tea.
All over my arm.
That's 2 strips done.
At least it's nice and tidy.
Yes.
So that was also one of our concerns with the foam insulation. They said we just don't know what the quality of the wood is like on where the foam sits on it. And I'm very happy to say that it's looking fantastic. Isn't it, Ollie?
I think somebody's sanded it back, haven't they? Look at my arm. It's not fun to breathe in that stuff. It's absolutely horrendous.
Is that you?
Yeah.
Oh, well done.
Could be worse.
How?
As you can see, these trees are really hanging right over this footpath, so sadly they did just have to go. The guys are getting stuck in now, starting to take down some of the overhanging branches before they get a bit more into the meat of them.
The trees are full on coming down now. It's happening.
It looks so much fun, doesn't it?
I think they're doing the big trees now, so we have to go out and see and show you all. It's very, very therapeutic. Let's have a look. We're halfway through the day with the wood chippers here, and they've done a great job. I'm just so tired. Like, I think I had about 2 hours sleep. But let's have a look at how far they've come. That's so dramatic. How far they've done, and they're basically through like half of it all already. I reckon they're gonna have it done in a day. Ollie says they want 2 days, but now Ollie's gonna throw our little trees into the chipper.
Well, I was gonna, but they're gonna do it for me. What a lovely bunch of lads.
I say that so creepily.
Lovely bunch of lads. Could have been with Imelda. Yes, honestly, the nicest guys.
You're really shouting in my ear.
Sorry, there's been a lot of noise.
Yeah.
Really nice. And have you said they're giving it to the farmer?
No, I haven't even said that bit.
So the local farmer that lives opposite us is taking all the chip-ins and he puts it underneath the cattle for like bedding for them. So they chip it up, so it kind of gets reused, which is nice.
Yeah, I love that. I like the fact it's going to be the cow's bed.
Yeah, so he uses it for that and it
Lovely.
absorbs all their toilets.
Does it?
Yeah. So that's nice, isn't it?
Right, so we are going to actually go back outside because we got the keys to the van. We bought a load of David Austin roses. I know. We spruced out. I really can't speak today. We splashed out. They're all in the van. Let's get them out, lad. Blimey, my hay fever's bad today. Right, you want to see a good delivery? Yeah, baby, yeah. Look at all those. So they are going to go on the inside of the hedging. So in the garden side, so we can have a look. Yes, we did splash out. Yes, it's completely worth it because There's so many beautiful roses around this village. So we want it to look nice. Like this. Oh, look at the trees.
You want that? You want to open down there because I want to bring all the cardboard back up.
Yeah. Wow. That's where, along that row is where the hedging's going to go. And hopefully that will cover the houses, because we're up higher, as you've seen before. So hopefully it covers the houses, so all we can see is sky. They're turning pink already. No, Ollie, I'm so hot and sweaty. It's unreal.
Oh, so much.
No, I'm so disgusting.
Do you want to say what, show the label of the kind of rose we've gone for?
What kind of ones?
Yeah.
Pink. Break it up.
The label.
Oh, right. We've got Princess Alexandra of Kent. Don't know who she is, but it was just the prettiest. Let's show the facet here. There's no roses yet, darlings.
Your name means rose, doesn't it?
Ah! God damn it. Horns. Yeah, my name means rose in Irish. It's actually little rose.
Could probably start taking them round the back if you want.
Really? So, my name, sorry, I don't want you there. My name is Roisin, and anything with "een" on the end in Ireland is small, like Creaturine or Tableen, means like small table. So yeah, I am actually called Little Rose in Irish. Do you want to see a picture of them? That's what they're going to look like. They should grow to a medium shrub, 4 foot high, which is, I'm 5'3", so probably like here. Wow, that's tall. Ollie,
Yeah?
that's up to here.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm actually a bit delirious. That's a good one. Even the tubs are nice. Have you seen the tubs?
It's an established brand.
Look at this tub. Joking me. Very posh.
Oh.
We have one rose. It might get pinker with the age. They're going to look so nice, Ollie. Do you want me to help? I'm so hot. I think I'm going to collapse. Ah. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Is there any more?
Yeah. Loads.
Here. Ah. Ollie. Ah. What am I fucking here? Ah. Oh, no, it's my piercing. It's come out. Oh, that's all sticky. Ollie, I think I'm going to collapse.
So this is it. We are down to the last few trees on the wall, and you can already see how much light is now coming into the garden. So hopefully these trees will fill out nicely now where they couldn't before. I do actually find this quite therapeutic to watch. So you might notice some big changes behind me. The trees are gone. Really, really pleased. So much light is now in the garden up here, and it's just such a freer, lighter space. And people that walk past have said how much better the village looks and feels, because they were like overhanging, in the way. Nobody liked waiting at the bus stop because of the leaves, and they thought they might fall on them and die. So that's all gone now. Everyone's happy, we're happier. So what we're gonna do, quick shout out to the guys at Tree Style as well. They were amazing, just awesome. It was really, really hot last couple of days. They got it done, slow and steady, just got it done absolutely perfect, exactly how we wanted it. So really, really chuffed with them. What we've got to do now is, sadly, I hate to say it, but poison the trees, because we don't want them to grow back. We don't want the roots to keep going in through the walls. So what I've got, I'll show you now, is some of these eco plugs. So what you do is you drill a hole straight into the trunk so you don't spray anything onto the ground, into the rest of the soil. Pop it in and then you just tap that, and that releases the glyphosate straight into the tree. So eco in the fact that they don't go into the rest of the ground, just into the tree. As horrible as it is to not let trees grow, these ones weren't in the best of condition. But for now, I've got to get 95, it's fallen over. Oh my God, that's how hot it is. The plants are lying down. We thought we'd put these just in front of the hedge on the garden side and try and make like a nice rose bush, about half the height. Hopefully it'll work. There's a bit of stuff in the way, but they're really nice. I love the roses. I love the smell of them, the look of them, brings in the bees. So it'll be nice. I'm looking forward to getting them in. And today is the kind of day, the kind of heat, I should say, when everything annoys you. Because every 2 seconds, the water's on, but there's kinks in the hose. Oh no. You know, when I said it's a day where just everything annoys you.